Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing 10 essential oils that you should start with if you're like building a kit. Start with this list, get a few at a time from this list, and then work your way up to essential oil wall, or maybe not if that's not your goal. But anyways, I do get a lot of questions on like, okay, I picked a brand, I think I'm gonna go with Revive or Eden's Garden, but which essential oils should I start with? I don't even know which ones to buy. First, there are tons of different kits curated by these brands that I like and use, and all of them will be linked at the bottom of this blog post. So I'll link that down in the description of this video, but they curate them for different like wellness blend or emotion blend and things like that. So that's a really good place to start too. But if you just want to create your own little kit and customize it really based on like what exactly you need for you and your family, here's a list of the 10 most popular, widely used, and also essential oils that are really like versatile. So you can use them for a lot of different things, which I personally love. That's why lavender is like probably my #1 favorite essential oil, because it can be used for so many different things. It's called the Swiss Army knife of essential oils for a reason. It has a lot of constituents that do wonderful things for a lot of different things. So anyways, I have the 10 oils, and then I also have a few things for each oil, just common use things that I thought would be helpful. So the first oil is lavender, and this is the Swiss Army knife of essential oils. Very versatile. So you probably have products in your home already that have lavender, hopefully good quality ones. But it's very relaxing, and so we use it a lot for bedtime. We use lavender hydrosol or essential oil for the bath time. We diffuse it in the girls' room at night, and then you can also make like pillow or bedtime spray, lotions. It is endless, but it also is like antimicrobial and has all these other awesome things that make it great for skincare and so many other things. I have an entire video on lavender if you want to know different ways that you can use it. I should just do 50 ways or 100 ways. You could do a post on 100 ways to use lavender. Maybe that will be coming soon. Okay, next is peppermint. This one is my go-to for headaches, and this is a big reason that I started to use essential oils therapeutically and not just for aromatherapy and scent. So I get headaches. That's like my body's way of telling me if anything's wrong. So if literally anything is off balance, I get a headache. And so I get them, I don't know, weekly, not daily, but weekly, if I'm not keeping up on my wellness things. So peppermint I use for headaches a lot. That is probably the #1 reason. And I just roll it diluted around like the crown of my head, inhale it. It's also super invigorating. So if I'm feeling tired, if I'm sitting here at work and just like can't get focused, I just take the bottle of peppermint and inhale deeply just for a minute or two. You can also make an aromatherapy inhaler, which is those little tubes that you put essential oils on a wick. If you've watched my videos for a long time, Fume is an aromatherapy inhaler. But they're sold on Amazon too for cheaper, so those are a really great option. Eucalyptus is #3. This one is great if you're not feeling well. It's really good for mucus, that type of thing when you're feeling under the weather. So it is kid safe. This one says 10+ on the bottle, heavily diluted if you're using it on anyone younger than that, but it's not recommended, I think, for kids under 2 at all. But just know that before you're using it. But I've made chest like a DIY Vicks Vapor Rub, and I have used it on the girls, and they are 4 and 7 now. So just if you have questions on that and dilution for eucalyptus, let me know. But super beneficial for that when you're needing to clear the airways when you're feeling under the weather. Tea tree is another super powerful, can be used for a lot of different things, essential oil. It's antiseptic, antibacterial, all the things. It's really good for blemishes on your face, so you can add it to skincare, as well as lavender. But it's also just good. It's one like lavender that if I just need an essential oil for anything, it's either lavender or tea tree that I'm reaching for. It's usually lavender because I don't like the smell of tea tree. It's also great for all of those things like skin irritations, cuts, things like that. Lemon essential oils next, #5. We're at 5 already. It is super fresh. Citrus essential oils are the freshest scent on the planet. If you just go and smell like the peel, That's what citrus oils are cold pressed from, like the peel of a lemon that is so fresh, orange, grapefruit, all the citruses. So it's super uplifting, but also this one is great for cleaning. So you can add it to any of your DIY cleaning products with apple cider vinegar or just white distilled vinegar, baking soda. Those are like must-haves in my cleaning regimen, just like all of our homemade cleaning products. It's really great to add to your laundry care too. So this one is in like the cleaning home category for us, mostly. But it's also just, yeah, super uplifting for your mood as well. Frankincense is number 6, and this one is the king of essential oils. It is so grounding and wholesome. It smells so good and just brings you back to center just by smelling it from the bottle. But so it's great for like a meditation, kind of centering you if you're just feeling anxious. But it also is great in skincare and so many other things too. So in this blog post, I'll put more. But frankincense can be used for so many things, but it's also just makes me feel so good. Rosemary essential oil is number 7, and this one is great for mental clarity and focus. So when you're studying or trying to work from home and you're not like getting anything done, another one great, like peppermint for this. But you can also make like an essential oil inhaler with rosemary, and there's studies done on the mental clarity and rosemary connection. I can try to link those in the blog post, but it's also great for hair growth and all kinds of like beauty things too. So I added to my shampoo. I tried to get rosemary hair care products, but if I can't find them, I just get unscented and add my own rosemary to them. Also lots of studies done on that too. Number 8 is chamomile, and this is one that I started with German chamomile, and German and Roman both have the same some of the same constituents and, you know, do the same like calming, good for like soothing type of thing. But I was using the German chamomile and I was like, this smells okay, but it's not like my favorite. And I got Roman chamomile, and I am like obsessed with this essential oil. It reminds me of Blue Tansy a little bit, and that's probably why I love it so much. Blue Tansy is my favorite of all time essential oil, and it's not even in this list. Because I feel like it's a very specific and a personal oil. But anyways, chamomile is amazing for think balance, soothing, also bath time, like sleepy time. It's really good for gentle skin. So highly dilute and use in just different skincare products, like after bath spray. You can make kid perfume. The girls love that. And so chamomile, lavender are the oils that I would use for that. So think like kids and calming for chamomile. Geranium is number 9, and this is an oil really that we don't use a ton, and I think it's just a super strong essential oil. I don't use it on its own, but it is in one of my favorite blends of all time, Joy blend by Young Living. Revive also has it, but it's a super like strong floral, but it's in so many different things, and it's very widely used. Just a really balancing essential oil. You can also swap geranium in this list for clary sage. It's a little bit more mild in scent terms, but it also kind of does the same thing, balancing. It's also really good for hormones. So geranium or clary sage, you choose which one you want in this category. But geranium is also great in skincare. So a lot of skincare DIYs will have geranium essential oil. And I really like the smell of it. I just need it mixed with something. I don't like it on its own as much. Ylang Ylang essential oil is number 10, the last oil in this video. It is sweet, exotic, aphrodisiac type of essential oil. So think those things, making a perfume or making like a bedroom massage oil. Those are the 2 main reasons that we use Ylang Ylang. It just smells like luxurious, and it's used a ton in fragrance, so that is the majority of the use for that. But I also did an entire video on Ylang Ylang, so there are lots of different ways to use it. I'll link that down below. Next, I'm going to quickly skim over the uses. All of these will be in the blog post along with like recipes and things, and I kind of covered most of this, but I think I skipped a few. So lavender, aromatherapy, calming, relaxing, DIY products for like bedtime, topical. You can mix it in DIY skincare products. It's very soothing. I used it a lot for sunburns this summer with aloe vera, bath soak, and then peppermint inhalation, using just a diffuser, smelling it from the bottle, or making one of those inhalers. Massage oil, I did forget to mention that. So like after workout, like or muscle type of massage oil, it's amazing for. Even mix that with some CBD and you will be golden. Eucalyptus. So when I mentioned we make like DIY Vicks Vapor Rub with just some solid coconut oil, eucalyptus, and a few other essential oils, but you can also use it in like a steam shower, which is super helpful because the steam in itself is going to help with congestion and things, but adding eucalyptus just takes it to another level. Tea tree you can use for acne spot treatment, homemade cleaner as well. Super powerful essential oil for antibacterial and antimicrobial foot soak. So tea tree is like when I buy or make a foot wash or a foot scrub or a foot soak, tea tree is always the oil for that. So I forgot to mention that too. Lemon, DIY furniture polish. So along with all of your other cleaners, you can add lemon to boost its power. You can also make an essential oil furniture polish. So think, oh my gosh, I thought of the name of it and then I forgot. Oh, Pledge, the DIY version of Pledge. So you're gonna use olive oil, lemon oil, and then the recipe will be in this blog post. Frankincense, meditation, yoga, skincare serum, and then also aromatherapy. So diffusing frankincense might be my favorite way to use it. Rosemary, focus and memory. So just diffuse or have the bottle make a roller. You can even put it in one of these personal diffusers like this. This would be a great option for using rosemary at your desk for focus and mental clarity. This just kind of pops open and a little steam comes out, but you just put like 1 or 2 drops of essential oil in these. These are super great. They recharge, so I love this. Hair rinse too, so you can add it to your shampoo, conditioner, or just make like a leave-in mermaid hair spray. Those are all over Pinterest if you need a recipe for that. Chamomile, a tea infusion, pillow mist, relaxing bath, think bath time, kind of like lavender. Then geranium, you can use as a skin toner. I will add a recipe for that. Diffuser blend, super uplifting and balancing for your emotions. And then Ylang Ylang diffusing or just making like a massage oil. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope this was helpful in kind of curating your own personal first set or first mix of essential oils, making your kit and having it on hand. There's a good mix of things like beauty, wellness, cleaning, all kinds of different ways to use these oils. Always our favorite brands will be down in the description of this video and in the blog post. If you have questions on choosing a brand, let me know too. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day.